Hey everyone, welcome back to Toe Game Masters. Today we're going to be installing a trunk light as well as the trunk striker for the 98 Impreza L. First we're going to remove the original striker with two 12 mils holding that in. We're going to replace it with the new OEM part here. I'll also include it in the description, but the reason why we need to replace it with this one is because this has a wire that grounds the lighting source. That way once you open the trunk it opens a light, and when you close it, it automatically closes the light. You can see the comparison between the two parts. The top is the new one with the wire and the old one on the bottom. You'll also notice this little wire on the side, and these two actually connect to the light. There's also a black wire up here. I don't know if you can see, it has a little black connector, and that's where you connect the light to. So I've installed the striker as well as the wire that I mentioned before already with the two 10 mils, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect these two prongs into that black connector for this LED light that I bought on eBay. Once you connect it, this should light up as the trunk is opened right now. You can see that I connected it incorrectly the first time, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip it around, and that should light this thing up. I'm going to go ahead and stick some double-sided adhesive on this LED light and stick it up onto the top of the trunk. So with that installed correctly, I'm just going to test the striker by pressing on it, and this should trigger the light to turn off, mimicking the trunk closing. And there you have it. This completes our install for the trunk LED light and striker. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.